Signs of a healthy drain field. Your septic serves an essential function of processing all the waste that comes from your home or business. The drain field, also known as the leach field, has one of the most critical jobs. It performs the final cleanse and disperses the treated wastewater. A damaged drain field can't perform its job and will push untreated water into the soil, contaminating the surrounding areas. Luckily, with proper care, drain fields are hardy and don't take much maintenance. 5 signs of a healthy drain field. Leveled and stable soil. A lawn and drain field with level soil is a good sign. When a leach field cannot expel wastewater, it collects and causes the soil to be squishy and condense on itself, leaving indents in your yard. Regular pump outs. If your pump outs are only needed on your normal schedule, that's great. An inefficient drain field would lead to backed up septic tanks and more frequent pump outs. Quick drains. If your drain field is healthy and keeping up with your system, water should quickly drain from your home. Fast drying soil after rain. As Floridians know, when it rains, your yard can remain moist for a few days. But it shouldn't remain wet and squishy for any longer than a few days. If you have a wet yard after a few days of sun, it means your drain field isn't draining properly. Normal lawn color. Waste makes a great fertilizer. If untreated wastewater is making it to your drain field or lawn, you may start to notice really healthy grass. While we all love a green lawn, it shouldn't be that green. Not noticing these 5 signs of a healthy drain field? Give Advanced Septic Services of Florida a call at 352-242-6100. We're here to help.